Opening greeting. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And you are watching the evening news. Headline introduction. Tonight we look back at one of the most significant events of the past decade, even the shook the world, inspired global action, and leave behind important lessons for humanity. Main story example COVID-19 pandemic outbreak in 2020. In early 2020, the world faces an unprecedented challenge with the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. The virus, which was first identified in Wuhan, China, spread rapidly across the globe, forcing governments to impose lockdowns, restrict travel, and close schools, offices, and public spaces. Hospitals in many countries were overwhelmed, and frontline workers risked their lives every day to care for patients. At the peak of the crisis, millions of people were infected, and sadly, millions lost their lives. Despite the hardship, the pandemic also revealed humanity's resilience. Communities came together, neighbors helped one another, and people adapted to new ways of living, working from home, studying online, and connecting virtually with loved ones. By late 2020, scientists across the world worked tirelessly to develop vaccines, and once vaccines campaign began, this was a historic achievement in the field of medicine, as vaccines were rolled out faster than ever before. Secondary point global impact. The pandemic not only affected health but also economies, education, and mental well-being. International travel was halted, business struggled, and millions lost their job. Yet, it also accelerates innovation, such as the rise of digital platforms, online learning, and remote healthcare services. Closing statement. Looking back, the COVID-19 pandemic was not only a global health crisis, but also a turning point in modern history. It taught us the importance of solidarity, preparedness, and the power of science and technology. Sign off. And the clouds or report for tonight. Thank you for joining us.